Adverbs of manner. Adverbs of manner denote how and in what manner an action is performed. It answers the question how. Adding ly to the adjectives generally forms these. Example: the boys walked slowly. The above sentence answers the question, how did the boys walk? Therefore, slowly is the adverb of manner. Look at the following sentences. The soldiers fought bravely. He acted wisely. These two sentences also answer the question how. Here, bravely and wisely are adverbs of manner. Some other adverbs of manner are happily, kindly, cleverly, soundly, quickly, etc.